Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at demonstrative pronoun, a super guide for beginners. Let's get started. Demonstrative pronoun. A demonstrative pronoun is a word used to point to a particular person, place, animal, object, idea, concept, and others. What is a demonstrative pronoun? A demonstrative pronoun is a word used to point to a particular person, place, animal, object, idea, concept, and others. Demonstrative pronouns are used in sentences to specify something of the same class and distinguish it from the others. The most common demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, and those. The best tip to identify a demonstrative pronoun is to see if the demonstrative pronoun refers to a previously mentioned noun. Demonstrative pronouns are contrasted with demonstrative adjectives. What is a demonstrative pronoun? How to identify a demonstrative pronoun? How are demonstrative pronouns compared with demonstrative adjectives? Are the frequent questions we've discussed in this video? Continue to watch to learn demonstrative pronoun meaning, definition, types, rules, and example sentences with clear explanation. This video covers demonstrative pronoun, meaning and definition, examples of demonstrative pronouns, types of demonstrative pronouns, demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective.